Hey guys, it's Richard from diabolotutorials.com. In this tutorial, I will show you how to tie strings so that they don't come loose from the sticks. Learning this technique is extremely easy and you won't have to worry about tangled or knotted strings again. There's nothing worse than wanting to start a Diabolo session and finding all your strings knotted up with other strings and sticks. Many other methods claim to be the best, but they fall short when push comes to shove. If you tie your strings up in this way with the string wrapped around the front of the sticks, there is always a chance that they could come apart, especially if your sticks get moved around a lot while you're moving them, maybe in your backpack or bag. If you use this method, the strings will never come loose. Firstly, the design of the sticks you use is really important. You won't be able to do this for sticks that can only be tied from the front. The only types that'll work with this method are those that have a hollow tube for the string to run through from the front to the back. If you have these types and you can tie at the back, keep watching. A second requirement is to have sticks with a foam-like grip, or at least a grip that won't get damaged by having tight string wrapped around them. There are many different materials for Diabolo handles, for example silicone, rubber or latex. You'll have to decide if this technique is going to be safe for your grips. Remember that the strings can cut grooves into some material types, so if the string leaves a mark in them, it's probably not worth doing this, as over time the quality of the grips might degrade and become worse. The first step is to grab both sticks in one of your hands, it doesn't matter which one. Hold the sticks by the handles close to the ends. Make sure the stick ends are lined up and they are parallel with each other. Pull the string out from the back of the sticks with your other hand. Try to make sure that both strings are about the same length. They don't need to be exact, but it will help if they can be almost the same. Then, grab both strings close to the stick ends. Pull them away from the sticks so that they are relatively taut. Next, use one of your fingers to pinch the strings tightly against the stick handles. I usually hold the strings at about 5 to 10 centimeters from the stick ends, but this is just a personal preference. Ensure the sticks are still close together. Then move the string so that it's perpendicular to the sticks. Slowly wind the string around the sticks while making sure you keep holding onto the string with your other hand. Again, keep the string taut. When you do one full wrap, make sure you wind the string over the other part that you're holding onto. Wrapping it like this will use the friction between the different parts of the string, so everything will stay in place. Once the string is in position and not moving, you can let go of it with your hand that's holding onto the sticks. Again, keep the string really taut while you continue to wind it around the sticks. If it's loose, your final knot won't be as effective at being locked in place. Keep winding the string around until you've got about 10 to 15 centimeters of string left. Hold the string close to the sticks. Use your thumb or finger to hold it in place against them, near the area where the two sticks are touching. Tuck the string in between the two stick handles and keep it taut. Pull down so that it's touching the other part of the string that is wrapped around the handles. And there you have it, a good way to wrap your sticks so they never come apart or get tangled up. Good luck guys, let me know if you have any questions or want any help, and as always, keep practicing.